introductory prices of the Nissan Magnite AMT are valid till the end of November. Price. Currently, the Nissan Magnite is priced between Rs 6 lakh and Rs 11.02 lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Variants. You can buy it in 5 broad variants: XE, XL, 15 Executive, 15 and 15 Premium. The red edition is being offered in 3 variants: 15 Metric Ton, 15 Turbo Metric Ton and 15 Turbo CVT. Colors. Customers can buy the Magnite in 3 dual-tone and 5 monotone shades: Pearl White with Onyx Black, Tourmaline Brown with Onyx Black, Vivid Blue with Storm White, Blade Silver, Flare Garnet Red, Onyx Black, Sandstone Brown, Storm White. Seating capacity. It can seat up to 5 people. Boot space. The Magnite offers a boot space of 336 liters. Engine and transmission. Nissan subcompact SUV comes with 2 engine options: a 1-liter naturally aspirated engine, 72 PS 96 Nm, and a 1-liter turbo petrol engine, 100 PS up to 160 Nm. A 5-speed manual transmission is standard, and the turbo engine can also be had with a CVT, with torque output reduced to 152 Nm. It now also gets a 5-speed AMT option with the naturally aspirated petrol engine. Claimed mileage figures of the Magnite are as follows: 1-liter petrol metric ton, 19.35 kmpl; 1-liter petrol AMT, 19.70 kmpl; 1-liter turbo petrol metric ton, 20 kmpl; 1-liter turbo petrol CVT, 17.40 kmpl. Features. Nissan has equipped the Magnite with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and auto AC with rear vents. The Tech Pack, which is available with the 15 and 15 Premium trims, comes with features such as a wireless phone charger, air purifier, JBL speakers, ambient lighting, and puddle lamps. Safety. In terms of safety, it gets dual front airbags, a 360-degree camera, hill start assist, and electronic stability control, escape, and tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Rivals. The Nissan Magnite takes on the Kia Sonet, Hyundai Venue, Maruti Suzuki Brezza, Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV 300, Renault Kaider, and Citroën C3. The subcompact SUV also rivals the likes of Maruti Fronx and Hyundai Exter. Pros. Looks. Value for money prices. Feature loaded. Smooth CVT gearbox. Sorted dynamics. Spacious cabin. Cons. No diesel engine. 3-cylinder petrol engines. Missing features like sunroof and auto-dimming IRVM. Underpowered non-turbo 1.0-liter engine. Less powerful turbo engine. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.